This isn't your typical coleslaw. It's bright, bold, and the kind of side dish everyone wants the recipe for. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make Asian coleslaw. It's a zesty, crunchy salad that's perfect for barbecues, lunches, or just when you need a fresh side. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. So to get started on our Asian coleslaw, I have some bagged coleslaw mix. I am totally taking the easy way out on this. Why slice all my own cabbage and vegetables when I can buy it already done at the grocery store? So this is a total time saver. So to this, I'm going to add some sliced up pea pods, just for some extra crunch, and some sliced green onions. Again, we're just gonna give that bagged coleslaw mix just a little bit of something. You give that a quick toss. I'm going to set the coleslaw aside. I'm gonna bring in a smaller bowl here and we're gonna work on our dressing. So to this, I have some soy sauce, some sesame oil. I love toasted sesame oil. It has such a strong flavor, but so good. Some peanut butter. That's gonna help emulsify everything and add a peanutty flavor to our sauce. I'm going to add some honey for some sweetness. We have rice wine vinegar for a little tang. Some of my all-purpose seasoning blend, of course. And then to bring in a little heat, I've got some Sriracha. Next, we're gonna add some really fresh flavors. I have fresh ginger. Now guys, this is a time when you want to use the fresh ginger. It's that gnarly root thing you see in the grocery store. I just take a spoon, the back of my spoon, peel that skin off, and then grate it on a rasp. Fresh ginger is what you need here. You don't wanna use the powdered stuff. Perfect. And we need a clove of garlic. So I'm gonna throw that through my garlic press here. We want that nicely, finely pressed. No big chunks of garlic hanging out. Oh, one more thing, I almost forgot. We need our vegetable oil. We need to bring our dressing together. Okay, we're gonna whisk everything together. Okay, this is looking good. We're gonna bring our coleslaw back in, and I'm just gonna drizzle most of this dressing over top. Not all of it, I'm gonna hold some back because I don't wanna overdress it. I just want it to be just enough. Sometimes I need the whole recipe of it, other times I just need some. So I've learned over the years that you add a little bit at a time. And that's it. Our coleslaw is done. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge, let it chill up a little bit, and then we're going in for a taste. This slaw is bursting with flavor, a little sweet, a little tangy, and so crunchy. Plus, it holds up great, so it's perfect to make ahead. Here's a tip. You wanna take this over the top, add some crushed peanuts for extra crunch. It really adds great texture. Now, this is one of those sides that works with just about everything. So I am going in for a taste. All right, if I can get it on the fork. I want some pea pod there. I love sesame oil. And it's not spicy. You would think with the Sriracha that it would be spicier than it is, but it's really not because we didn't put a lot in there. Now, when this sits in the fridge and chills, it's going to absorb that dressing. So the dressing that we reserved, we may need to bring it back in after it sits and add a little bit more, and that's okay. This Asian coleslaw is definitely a keeper. It's quick, fresh, and packed with big flavor, really without any fuss. So make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the video description. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you like this, you've got to check out my Asian spicy cucumber salad. It's another refreshing, flavorful side that comes together in no time. Click right here and I'll see you over there.